Hello, I'm Sylvia. We are auto parts manufacturer in China. Today I will tell you how to distinguish the product quality. In auto parts market, every dealer pays more attention to the product quality and price. So how do we balance both of them? I will tell you. This is a well-reduced assembly for EUROTRAKKER. This is the housing. We have two colors, the red one and the black one. The material for the housing is QT507, and there are two factors affect the quality of the housing: the material and the weight. So we updated the product, make the housing heavier, and we also use special tools to improve the product size, appearance, and accuracy. This is the cover. There are two methods to processing the cover: the stamping and pressing, and the material is Q195 steel. It has excellent impact resistance and tensile stress, can reduce the production cost and improve the service life. For planet gear and sun gear, the technology we use is gear grinding and gear honing, can improve the machine grip between the gear surface. Also can reduce the noise when we use the whole assembly. I will show you the video, you can see the difference. For this shift, the material is 20 chromo type, and the technology we use is heat treatment, quenching, and tempering. For this spacer, the material and the technology is seen with the shift, and we also fine grind its surface, the inner and the outer. This is the gearing and its bracket. The quality of them will affect the service life of the whole set. So some defective factory downgrade their material to reduce the production cost. I will teach you how to distinguish their quality.
First, we can see the bracket. The material is 42 chromo and 40 cro. The hardness of 42 cro is between 240 to 300 HP. After normalizing, the hardness of 40 cro can reach 45 to 52 HRC. According to the technical requirements of Italian drawings and our repeated tests and research, it's shown that tempering to 28 to 32 HRC is the best and most reasonable state, which can better exert the comprehensive mechanical properties of the product, such as high strength and toughness, and is suitable for large bearing capacity and impact resistance. A very important point is that uniform hardness during heat treatment is also one of the important factors affecting the product. We use a mesh belt continuous furnace for normalizing to release stress, control deformation, good metallographic structure, uniform tempering hardness. Relatively speaking, the wheel-tap furnace has poor theory, uneven tempering hardness, and unstable quality. For the poor quality product, the material is 45 steel, and it has not been normalized, has uneven hardness of tempering. You can see the comparison. The gearing, the material is 20 chromo. Its mechanical properties are higher than 20 chromo type, 40 cro and 45 steel. The service life is more than 10 times of 45 steel and more than 3 times of 40 cro. The performance of 20 chromo in mining areas, overloading and heavy loading, is particularly outstanding. Each process fully complies with the requirements of the OEM, eliminating corners and taking responsibility for every product. According to the drawing requirements and technical research, we normalize the gearing, temper it to 58 to 62 HRC.
That's all. I hope through this video you can know the products better. Bye!